So what you guys want to do is grab your fishing line and a hook, and then you want a significant tag. That's that long piece right there between my finger and my thumb, and you're gonna spin it a couple times. I like to do it like 6 or 7 times, and then grab it with your pinky finger to keep it a hold, and then you'll find a little loop between the eyelet, which is where you first put your fishing line through. You will thread it through there, and then you'll have a little loop, and then you'll feed it back through that loop, and then you'll want to cinch it down holding the hook, the tag, and the actual main line of your fishing lure. After that, you'll have, it's called an improved clinch knot.